Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the lecturer vacancies notification from the multiple departments of Union Territory Government Colleges. And here eligibility is the post graduation with or without UGC net, and PhD is not required. So that is not mandatory here. And coming to the salary is 50,000 rupees per month, and it is a consolidated one. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is the official public notification released by the Daman and Diu Higher Education Society, DIU, so administration of Dadra and Nagar Haveli. And here you may check down this notification released on 5th April 2021. So DIU invites applications from eligible candidates for employment of visiting faculties for below mentioned subject, and due date for submission of application form is 20th April 2021. Okay. So coming to the education qualification for arts and commerce faculty. So the first one is visiting lecturer in the economics. Okay, one post is there. And for all the positions here, the education qualifications are same. So first we will see the departments, and then we will check the qualifications required. Next one is Sanskrit, and next one is commerce. And next microbiology, chemistry, mathematics, physics. Okay, so these are the departments, guys. And if you belongs to these departments, then try to apply, or else please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments and looking for such type of notifications. And coming to the education qualification, so good academic record as defined by the UGC or concerned university with at least 55% of marks or an equivalent grade in a point scale wherever grading system is followed at the master's degree level in a relevant subject from an Indian university or an equivalent degree from an accredited foreign university. So apart from the 55% in master's degree, the candidate must fulfill the UGC net or CSIR net or SLET or SET qualification must be there. And the candidates who registered for PhD prior July 2009, those candidates are exempted from the national eligibility test qualification. And 5% in the post graduation and graduation in the marks is relaxable to the candidates who belongs to SC, ST and differently abled categories for the purpose of eligibility. And the eligibility marks of 55% marks equivalent grade in a point scale. So wherever grading and the relaxation of 5% to the categories mentioned above are permissible. And the relaxation of 5% is also provided to the PhD degree holders who have obtained their master's degree prior to 19 September 1991. So these are all the essential qualifications. So whatever I showed you up to now, and the desirable qualifications are also mentioned here. So CCC from the recognized body or institute or university, and ability to teach through the medium of Hindi or Gujarati. Okay, and coming to the education qualification for science faculty, that is for microbiology, chemistry, mathematics and physics. So the first point is same thing, and second is also same, and third, 4, 5, yeah, all the points are same, whatever we mentioned to the above one. And coming to the net qualification is relaxable. That means net is not mandatory to the candidates who are well qualified. Fine. That means if you are having the very good percentages, okay, and some well qualification is there, okay, in the post graduation level, then the net qualification is relaxation is there. So here coming to the honorarium, 500 rupees per lecture and maximum up to 50,000 rupees per month. And the candidates should email their applications in the prescribed format along with the self-attested scanned copies of requisite documents and the candidates on or before 20th April 2021 up to 12 p.m. Okay. And email ID is provided. Okay, so and whatever the application form that you have to fill up, that is also attached to this PDF. Okay, so I will show you. And incomplete applications are not considered. Okay, no correspondence will be entertained, and application received after the due date will be rejected. And only shortlisted and eligible candidates will be contracted for further rounds of selection and contacted. And the above posts are purely temporary and visiting basis. The selected candidate will not have any right to claim for permanent post in future. And coming to the application form, so it is application form list. So take the printout of this one and then fill up. So after filling up this one, okay, and then attach the necessary documents whatever they told, and send it to the mentioned address on or before the mentioned last date. Okay, that is 20th April 2021. Fine. So it is a detailed notification regarding the guest lecturer vacancies in DIU. Okay, so if you are not having the UGC NET also, then please try to apply, guys. Why? Because the UGC NET qualification is relaxable for the well qualified candidates. Fine. So for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are writing the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide